Hello, my name is Rylan Gardner from Technical Applications in Education. Today I will be showcasing how to use photo editing and image casting. So, first things first, what we're going to do is we have a picture of a lady in a boat. So, what we want to do is we want to make her the focus. So, how we're going to do that is we're going to blur the rest of the outside. And this allows the eyes of the audience to capture what we want. Okay. Next, what we want to do is we are going to showcase how we can draw. So, a lot of the times we're trying to get our students to see what we want them to see, not what their eyes auto-draw to. So we don't want their eyes drawing to here if we want them to be focusing on the girl. So an arrow can be super useful in helping showcase where their eyes should be guided towards. If that doesn't get the message across, you can always use a different color to showcase like a circle to really highlight what we want them to be looking through. Okay. Next, what we want to showcase is cropping. So what the cropping does is it allows us to cut out excess material. So it allows us to take material like this, and then we can crop it down to size to make it a more efficient use of visual aid. Last thing we are going to showcase here is how effects work. So, if we want to show them and not have their eyes distracted by color, we can use something such as black and white. If we want a more saturated image, we can go that route. Or if we would rather have something more vibrant, we can just have something like this, which is the original. Alrighty guys, that is all from me. Thank you so much. Goodbye.